Hello there, my name is Sam Michaels from Hydra-Flex. Our goal at a trade show is to exceed expectations in customer service, support, and education. There's a lot of different ways that we can support end users and distributors at shows. First and foremost, getting face-to-face with our end users, we're able to speak with people who actually have boots on the ground and are using our products on a day-to-day basis. We can understand their needs, their challenges, and ways that we can innovate our products in order to address those specific needs.
The amount of information and knowledge you get at these shows is the best.
It's making connections, all about talking to other people in the industry and seeing what they're using and what's up and coming, what's different, what's changing.
The beautiful part about trade shows is it's one-stop shop for both our end users and distributors, and that allows for me to understand in kind of a map view where our distributors lie, where our end users' needs are, and how to best connect which end user with that distributor. For example, earlier today we had a distributor in a specific location and an end user looking for a distributor in that location, and we were able to seamlessly connect them.
I not only get to talk to people about product, but I also get to see customers I've been dealing with for many years. It's really a family, you know? You get people from all over the place that come in who know the business, who've been working with this equipment for so long.
It's super important to have face-to-face interactions and build relationships in a personal way. Trade shows allow us to learn about our distributors' end users, their specific needs, how to best connect those individuals with distributors that'll help them going forward. Now that you know a little bit more about Hydra-Flex, come see us at a show. In the meantime, follow us on social media, visit our website, come to us for anything that you guys need. Thanks so much. See you guys soon.